Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a super convenient feature that's WhatsApp has rolled out, joining groups using a QR code. Whether you are an admin wanting to grow your group or a user looking to join one quickly, this tutorial is for you. Step 1. First things first, open your WhatsApp app. If you're not already in a group, you'll need to create one. Tap on the new chat icon, select new group and follow the prompts to set it up. Remember, you must be the admin of the group to generate a QR code. Step 2. Once your group is ready, navigate to the group chat. Tap on the group name at the top to access the group info. Scroll down and look for the options that says invite to group via link. Here you will see several sharing options, including one for the QR code. Select that option and voila, your unique QR code is generated. Step 3. Now it's time to share this QR code. You can send it via social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram, or even save it as a PDF for printing. Make sure to share it with people you trust. After all, anyone with this code can join your group. Step 4. For those looking to join group using a QR code, simply open your camera app on your smartphone and point it at the QR code. Most modern smartphones will recognize it instantly. A notification will pop up, tap on it, and it will redirect you to WhatsApp. Confirm your intention to join by tapping join group, and that's just like that. You're in. And there you have it. Joining a WhatsApp group has never been easier thanks to QR codes. This feature not only simplifies the joining process but also helps admins manage their groups more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy chatting.